Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you are doing great because it is a fabulous day. And today I'm going to tell you how you can get cash back when you go grocery shopping. So if you want to know more about this, just stick around. Action fun and back to lock safety with Marta. Today I'm going to show you an app that I use where I get cash back every time I go to the grocery store. And I'm always about saving money. Why should I pay more if I can get something for less? And I'm going to show you about this app because it's easy to use. It's called iBotta. Now, right now they actually have a special. So if you use the coupon that I put down in my description, I'm actually going to get $5. And what does that mean? That means that when you install your app and you share it with other people, you're going to get $5 too. But that's nothing compared to the savings because they really send you a lot of money because there are so many things that are in the app as a promotion, and then at the store they might be on sale too, and then you might have a coupon, so sometimes you get it for almost nothing. Let me show you how the app works, okay? I'm going to show you from my phone, but I'm also going to take some pictures and put them up on the screen so that you can see them better. You download your app from either your Android Play or your iPhone, so whichever one you use, it works on both. You download the app, you put in the code that I'm going to give you, and then you're ready to go. Let's say these are stores that I typically go to, so they're down listed in the bottom already because I typically go to these stores. So if I were at, let's say, oh, and it works with Living Social. Now, you know Living Social, you're going to get a lot of good deals already, right? So let's go to Living Social. So if you were to tap on Living Social, then it'll tell you right then you're going to get 4% back by buying something on Living Social. And let's go back, and now let's go to a store, a brick and mortar store. Let's say we're going to CVS, or let's do Kmart. So we go to Kmart, and you know Kmart has rewards. When you go there and you buy a certain amount, they give you a certain amount of cash back and cash rewards. So now what you do is you do a search. Let's say there's a little search, so you search over here and you search for tea. Let's say you like tea, that's something you drink a lot. You search for your tea, and guess what? You've got kombucha. Maybe you like the kombucha. So if you like kombucha, you can add it to your list. You would just click the plus sign, you add it to your list. Sometimes they ask you to look at a ad or a promotion video, sometimes not. You just go ahead and you add it to your list, and there you would have 55 cents back offer. So you can do this while you're at the store. You can say, oh, you know what, I need dog food, and then you search for dog food here and you see if the dog food that you want happens to be on their list of promotions. Then all you have to do at the end, I'm going to show you my offers. For example, a list of my offers that I typically buy at, let's go to the home, and they have all kinds of stores. They have Whole Foods, they have all kinds of places. So over here you have a list of coupons that I've typically used and that I might be interested in. Makes it really easy for me. So how does it work in the end? Well, in the end, you take your receipt. I just came back from Publix. I take my receipt, and there are some items on here that I know I have coupons on. So I take my receipt and I scan it. Let me show you where that is. It says redeem right in the center. I click on the redeem. I click on the store where I was. I hope that you can see this. I click on the store. I mean, this is pretty self-explanatory. It's not difficult. So and then a little camera app will appear so that you can actually, what do you call it, scan. So my phone is a little slow. Come on, don't be so slow. My phone's a little slow. I don't know why it's acting up. You know, I think it's time for another phone. It's almost as if every year you've got to buy a phone. Not because you want to, but because yours starts acting up. Does that happen to you? Okay, so let's go back again because my phone is stuck. What? I hate that. I need another phone. Okay, my phone does not know that I'm doing a video. I don't have time for this nonsense. Okay, let's go back. Here's my iBotta. And it'll tell you, take a picture. It'll tell you the conditions that are better for you to take a picture. And you have a few days, you have about a week to go ahead and scan your receipt. I am going to scan my receipt. Okay, let me do this. I don't know how I'm going to show you, but basically you just scan it like that. Can you see what I'm doing? Yeah. Okay, that's not going to work, but that's how you would be scanning. But before I do that, let me show you how much money I have so far. I've got $40. There we go. $40. Can you see that? $40.66. Did you see that or did I change it? Okay, let's try it again. $40.66. And basically, you just go shopping. You go shopping, and then maybe you can give yourself a special treat at the end of the year. You can do it on your birthday. You can just leave the money there. It's almost like a savings account. I have fun with this, so I think you'll have fun with it too. Remember to look in the description box for that special number, the code, so that you can put it in. All right, now. Let's go on. I finished scanning. Now, a very cool thing it has is that sometimes it'll just give you a coupon for going out and shopping. So for example, in this case, I've got 10 cents just for going out and shopping. So I had to do my groceries, so I got 10 cents. That's not bad. I know you might feel, well, that's nothing. Hey, every penny counts. Also, it gives you generic brands. So for example, I bought a yogurt, and here it gives me a coupon for any kind of yogurt, so I got that. And I also got an almond yogurt. Let me see if I find it. Oh, it's not here. I have to go back and put it back on here. That's another, oh, here it is. Yeah, it is up here. Here's my almond yogurt that I bought. So these two are going to go together. So in essence, between my yogurt and my generic yogurt, my almond yogurt, that's 75 cents plus 25 cents, that's $1 off. Plus the 10 cents for any item. And I didn't buy some of the other things that I had on here because I generally just put stuff on there and sometimes I don't get them. But for example, if you like jerky, beef jerky, you could have done the same thing and you could have gotten 25 cents for a generic brand, plus then you could have gotten for a specific brand another $1.50. So that's a good deal, right? I am going to give you a tip. Save your receipts for a little bit because sometimes they'll come back and say, oh, this was not a good image. But most of the time, they're pretty good. So your list will come out and then you'll just verify, I got any item, I got this yogurt, I got this yogurt. It'll ask you how many you bought. You put, okay, I bought one. Sometimes it makes you scan it. See, this will come out and then you've got to scan the product, but not all of the time. Let me show you how you scan the product. It's very easy. And let me tell you, this yogurt by Silk, it's an almond milk yogurt. It is so delicious. The chocolate one tastes like ice cream. So this is a good alternative if you want to do something healthier than ice cream. So you take your little phone like that and you put the bar screen on the window. It already caught it. And that's it. It gave you the money for that one. And then I'm going to do it again for the brandless yogurt. See, I just put a check mark next to it. Can you see that? And that's it. It didn't ask me to scan it. I'm good to go. And I didn't get anything else. So really for this shopping trip, I only got $1.10. But it's not bad because, you know, I could have gotten nothing. And in the meantime, remember, the way I shop, if you've seen my other videos, is that I shop everything on a discount. If it's not on sale, I probably won't buy it. So if you look at my entire receipt, you will see all of these, and those are, that's the amount of money that is reduced from my receipt, and it's almost on every single item. So that's how you need to shop, and that's how you need to make money when you spend money. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. But more important than all of that, I hope that you have a day filled with peace, love, and joy. Action, fun, and